Hi, I am Ufoma Ogaga from Goshen Bookkeeping and Consulting. In this video, I will show you my quick and easy tip to open multiple Asana projects in your browser as separate tabs or as separate windows to maximize your workflow. To open multiple Asana projects in your browser, all you need to do is drag the project name from the left navigation pane to the top of your browser above the address bar and release your mouse for the separate tab to open. You can repeat the same step by clicking on your Asana team name to get to this project screen, and drag one of the project icons to the top of your browser. This tip works on all browsers, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. It is also great to use this tip if you need to display your Asana projects in multiple monitors to get work done. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos.